to make money on people per hour as a cybersecurity expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners that visit this platform daily in order to hire a freelancer to do a gig for them, or a job, or a project, or just to outsource a task to those freelancers in order to save their time. So I'm going to show you first. Before that, I'm going to explain, if I was a business owner, for example, and I come to this platform searching for a cybersecurity expert, I will just go to the search in here, type the skill I'm searching for, click on the search. Then you will be able to see all of the freelancers that are doing the skill you're searching for. So this one, he does craft an expert tech or cybersecurity blog, but we're searching for cybersecurity experts. Let's just search for cybersecurity. And as you can see, those are the profiles of the freelancers that are doing this skill. And as you can see, there are a few, we have just 3. So guys, in order to showcase your skill as well like those people, you will need to create a profile. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's go back to the main page, click on the freelancer button in your top right, and then choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my email, my password, and then login. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Make sure to fill this information, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers, and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop a profile picture, then you proceed to enter in a job title, and here you have an example, award-winning web developer, or we can go with cybersecurity expert. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. Let's start with cybersecurity, cyber, and we have no matches found. Let's go with security, network security, website information. Let's go with network security, website security information, security engineering. We have also internet security. We have security testing, website security as well, information security. Let's go with certified information security analysis, security professional, information security. And then we proceed to the about you section. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to make a great description for your profile, I use a method which is I go to the search and I search for the freelancers that are doing the same skill like the one I'm doing. Then I just spy on there, or I just check their description, see how are they describing their skill, how are they talking about it, how are they trying to convince the business owners or the visitors to buy or to hire them instead of the other freelancer. So let's go to the search, and here search freelancers and enter the skill you're searching for. Cybersecurity expert, click on search, and let's go with all offers. Let's remove expert, let's go with cybersecurity, or let's just go with security as a whole to see more freelancers. So we have install SSL certificate and secure your website, premium, fast, secure, SEO friendly website. Here we have secure your cPanel server completely, provide fast, secure USA and UK based web hosting for 12 months, write a cover. Let's check this one, secure your WordPress website, security, no more malware. Let's check this one. He's got 4 sales and he's a top cert in the platform. So let's check his description. So from the get-go, you'll notice that it's a short description and a brief one, and it's well organized, but it will be better if you make a description which is double this one, just to be this long. For example, from here to here, for example, with 3 or 4 long paragraphs, but not again too much long, just a medium. But let's read this one. I've been working with the web and SEO for 25 years, and my experience with WordPress predates it even began called WordPress. Over the years, I've consistently seen that the number one best way to attract and retain clients to your business is through SEO, search engine optimization. With my wealth of experience, I can approach it just as it should be. This one is doing search engine optimization, but he's talking here about secure your WordPress website security, no more malware. So I think he made a mistake in here. Let's go back and let's check someone else's description. Let's check this one. I think that's it for the inspiration. So guys, when you're ready to enter your description, just go to this button in your top right, click on the profile in here, and click on the edit button. Then you'll be able to change everything about your profile. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.